What if you had a real-life superpower, like being able to see into the future just by looking at patterns from the past? Imagine knowing which song is going to blow up next month, or knowing what pizza topping is most popular in your city on a Friday night so your local place doesn't run out. That superpower? It's real. It's called data science. But don't worry, it's not magic. And it's not just for math geniuses or people in lab coats. It's a way of thinking, a way of solving problems using data. Grab your coffee and let's get started. In this video, I'll break it down, simply, clearly, and maybe with a slice of pizza. Let's keep it simple. Data science is the art of turning messy information into useful answers. Think of a data scientist like a detective, but instead of chasing criminals, they're digging through numbers, looking for clues in things like app usage, purchase history, social media, and anything else that leaves a digital trail. Every time you click, scroll, watch, or buy something, you're creating data. But that data is messy. Imagine trying to read a book where all the pages are mixed up. Data scientists come in, put the pages back in order, find the key patterns, and tell a story that actually makes sense. The goal? Use those patterns to make better decisions. Data science helps answer questions like, what product should we recommend next? Which route gets you home faster? Is this transaction possibly fraud? When is a machine likely to break down? From Netflix suggestions to traffic apps to predicting disease outbreaks, data science is everywhere. It's the reason your phone unlocks with your face. It's how Spotify makes that Discover Weekly playlist feel weirdly accurate. And it's how companies figure out what people want, sometimes even before they do. Most data science happens in a few steps. Collect data. Could be anything from surveys to sensors to what people click on. Clean it. Because raw data is messy. Missing values, weird outliers, duplicates, you name it. Explore it, find trends, patterns, weird stuff. Model it. Use math and algorithms to make predictions or decisions. Act on it. Show results to people. Build a product. Make a call. It's not always in this exact order, but that's the general idea. If you're curious, like solving problems, or enjoy finding patterns, data science is probably something you'd enjoy. And don't worry if you're not great at math, yet. Or if coding scares you. You don't need to know everything to get started. You just need to be willing to figure things out. So yeah, data science isn't just charts and code. It's a way to turn information into insight, to ask better questions, and to make smarter choices. If that sounds interesting to you, this channel's for you. This is Theory Fit, and we're just getting started. Hit subscribe if you want more no fluff, clear explanations about data, computer science, and all the weird and useful stuff in between. See you in the next one.